What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm JD, and in today's video I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to show you how to remove and clean a dirty front seat. Now, this isn't a step that you necessarily have to do. However, it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. It also allows you to reach areas of the seat and even the carpet that you normally wouldn't be able to get to if the seat was left in. So, enough of the talking. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is disconnect the battery. This is a precautionary step that I take since we are going to be messing with the airbag connectors. This will help prevent an electrical surge or trigger an airbag warning light that none of us really want to deal with. Now that the battery's disconnected, we're going to start by taking out the bolts that are behind the seat. Now, this vehicle only has 2 bolts, where most vehicles have 2 in the front and 2 in the back. I'm using my socket wrench to loosen them to start with, before using my drill to get them out the rest of the way. Here I'm just disconnecting the airbag. It's normally held on by 2 clips. Here I'm spraying on some Chemical Guys Fabric Clean. I'm just going around kind of getting the seat a little saturated. You want to be careful that you don't spray too much down, but you want to make sure you have enough to work with. Alright, after I let my solution dwell for about a minute or 2, I'm going to go ahead and start using my drill brush. This will help agitate and loosen up the dirt, bring it all to the surface. Alright, now I'm going to start extracting. Here I'm using a Bissell Spot Clean Professional. This is a real good machine. It's relatively inexpensive and it packs a lot of power. Now, my process here is I'm spraying down hot water for the first couple passes, and I'm looking to see how the water is coming up, whether it's still dirty or if the solution's still coming up. I'll continue to spray down more hot water. And if I need to repeat the process with some more solution and my drill brush to loosen up some more of that dirt, I will. You can find the Bissell and any other products I use in this video in the description box. Alright, turning to the back of the seat. My process here is still the same. I'm going to spray down some solution, use my drill brush before moving to extraction. And as you can see, I laid the seat on its back. This will give you a little bit more leverage when you're using your drill brush as well as using your extractor. done, we're going to go ahead and reinstall the seat. And this is pretty much going to be the reverse order of how we took it out. Once you have the seats rebolted back in, make sure and connect the airbag. And you want to do this before you reconnect the battery. Reconnecting the battery, we're going to start with the positive side first. We're going to get that tightened down and then move on to the negative, and then everything should be good. Alright guys, that does it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you were able to get a little something out of it. And if you want to see more of these little how-to specific style videos about certain things, let me know below in the comments. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So until next time, y'all have a good day.